Good morning, students. Welcome you all in the class of History Civics. Yesterday, I discussed with you some of the features of Renaissance, as well as I also discussed with you the development which were made in the field of paintings. Now, today I am going to tell you about the progress which was made in the field of sculpture, architecture, literature, as well as in the field of science and technology. So listen it carefully. First of all, let us know what progress was made in the field of sculptures. So sculptures means the art of making images. Okay. So sculptures which were made during this Renaissance period, they showed the beauty of the human body, and sculptors of this period, they were inspired by the human form, humanity, as well as they were also inspired by the Greek and Roman art. Earlier, what happened? For the first time during Renaissance, free standing figures were seen, and the first person who developed sculpting into an art form, he was Lorenzo Ghiberti, and his masterpiece is the Gates of Paradise, a pair of bronze doors that he designed for the entrance of Baptistry of San Giovanni in Florence. This is his masterpiece. You have to remember the name of the sculptor, Lorenzo Ghiberti, and his work, the Gates of Paradise. Okay, so this much progress was made in the field of sculpture. Now let us know about architecture. So during Renaissance period, a lot of progress, tremendous progress was made in the field of architecture. Rounded arches, columns, imposing domes, they were all introduced. They were all the characteristic features of Renaissance architecture. And the finest example of this period is St. Peter's Basilica in Vatican City. Now, let us know about the progress which was made in the field of literature. So children, literature also witnessed the changes during Renaissance. Means number of changes occurred in the field of literature also. So what were those changes? Let us know. The spirit of inquiry which developed among the pupil during this Renaissance period led to the demands for books. And earlier the books, they were handwritten, so they were available only in limited numbers. But now, due to the invention of printing press by John Gutenberg, a revolution occurred in the field of learning. Okay, now with the help of printing press, the books in huge quantity were published and became available to a large number of people. These books went a long way in spreading knowledge far and wide. With the help of books, knowledge spread far and wide. Now books were available to each and every person who wanted to read it. Okay. Now during this period, many writers, okay, they wrote in Italian, Spanish, French, German and English. Earlier the books were written only in Latin. So Latin was understood only by a few people. Okay, only a small section of society was able to understand the Latin language. So now the books, they were written in different languages, so more and more people, they were able to read these books. So for example, William Shakespeare, John Milton, they wrote in several books in different languages. Okay, so this also was a special feature of Renaissance. Lot of number of books were written during this Renaissance period and in different languages also. Okay, now let us know what occurred in the field of science and technology. So listen carefully. This spirit of inquiry, it also led towards the important discoveries and progress in the field of science and technology. For example, in the field of astronomy, Nicholas Copernicus proved that the earth rotates on its axis and revolves around the sun. He challenged the traditional thought of the Roman Catholic Church that Earth was the center of the universe. Okay, but Church did not accept the fact which was given by Copernicus. Later, Galileo Galilei also just proved that Copernicus was right. Then William Harvey, he discovered the system of circulation of blood from the heart to different parts of the body. Sir Isaac Newton, he proved all heavenly bodies move according to the laws of gravitation, and the microscope and thermometer, they were also invented in the 17th century. So these were all the development, the progress which was made in the field of science and literature. Okay children, so this is all for today. In the next video, we will discuss about Reformation. Reformation, which was the result of this Renaissance. Okay, so till then, watch this video well. If you are having any query, you can ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Till then, have a good day.